10 signs you might be a senior JavaScript developer. You know some advanced JavaScript concepts like scope closures, promises reduce, and the prototype chain, and you are capable of teaching the basics of JavaScript. Your code is easy to read. You use let and const to describe your code, and you structure your code in small composable functions that do one thing really well. You can identify the big pieces of an app architecture like caching, sessions, Docker, and serverless functions, etc. Although it's okay to have your own opinion about TypeScript, you still know the pros and cons of using a type system. You know the basics of querying a database, and you might have experience using an ORM like Prisma or Mongoose. You think twice before adding dependencies to your project, since you don't want to depend on something that is not maintained long term. You've seen multiple ways of working in different teams, and you've started to make your own opinions about your preferred way of working. You have experience in both frontend and backend JavaScript, meaning you know the browser APIs and you know how to work in Node.js. You worked in an app big enough to require some complex state management system. You have experience in at least one of the larger front-end frameworks or libraries like React, Vue, Svelte, or Angular.